It retails for 3,780 rupees, this one, and I just paid 200 rupees for it. 14 days. I am going to document myself applying this every single day. A loyal क्या हूँ मैं creator. Sorry. So very excited because I actually ordered a lot of stuff from Nykaa this time because there was sale going on. But this was on my wish list from I don't know from when, because I saw Dermats talking about it. I saw the most renowned content creators when it comes to skincare talking about it, and I was like, you know what, I have to get my hands on it because this is Lux. It was expensive. I was very skeptical. I have saved up to actually get it. I did a lot of stuff to just get this product. You won't believe. It's another story. But yes, I got it. And the best part was when I ordered it, the brand actually sent me a complimentary sunscreen, which actually cost about 1200 or 1500. So मुझे bonus भी मिल गया, which I'm so excited about. So I'm actually talking about the brand Eucerin. I think you would have seen it all over the internet. I'm so excited. I've not even started because I thought I'm going to share it with you first and ask you how you want the review. And only if you say yes or no, if this video works out, then only I'm going to actually go ahead and work a little harder to shoot every single day. Now, what happens is this one is a very hype product at the moment on the internet, because it says that in 2 weeks you are actually going to see results, especially if you have hyperpigmentation, and it is going to give you like even tone skin. Because I'm just going to go to the point, because this has one ingredient which is actually called as thiamidol. That's something it is pronounced as. So this is actually proven by the scientist or someone who's actually testing that this particular ingredient will really help and work on your pigmentation. We have heard about vitamin C, niacinamide, alpha butane, kojic acid. Then there's one more active, I don't remember. It's like AZEALIC, one acid which is really working out in terms of pigmentation. I was very unsure if I should go and get that because there's going to be a lot of stuff, but I really wanted to stick with one particular product. So I was like, I'll just show you the packaging, unpackaging, and I've got like a little idea that I want to do, especially with this product, so that you can see if this really works or no. So let me just open this and show you on how this looks. But before that, one more thing, they actually sent me this. So I was actually getting an option for a freebie. So I really did not know that it is going to be like this big. I thought I am just going to get sample. You know, samples milte jab aap ek high brand karte ho. But then I actually ordered this and I got this and I was so happy. So they did give me an option. Nykaa pe option aaya tha. If I want to go with this dry touch sun gel cream ultra light wala, yeah, if I want to go with a dewy one, but I have an not acne, what's wrong with me, I have an oily and combination skin. By the way, I've got like an acne here, iske liye maine acne bol diya. So I have oily skin right now, so I was like, you know what, let me just go with this. I got it and it was so big, and this is actually with new formula, which I'm so happy about, because older formula mein obviously old gen honge filters, and the new formulas I'm very excited about. The only thing आई फील दैट इनको ना स्टॉक खत्म करना था, इसके लिए ये लोगों ने they've just sent it because it's so expensive any which ways. This retails for about 1305 और इसका ना मैन्युफैक्चरिंग 24 का है और एक्सपायरी 27 का है. आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई एम सेइंग दिस, बट आई वाज लाइक व्हाई, लाइक मेरे अंदर का क्यूरियोसिटी वाज लाइक कि क्यों ये लोग ने मुझे फ्री भेजा, लाइक इतना बड़ा बॉटल क्यों फ्री भेजा, लाइक इट्स सो एक्सपेंसिव. द ब्रांड it will be so rare that they come up with discounts, and I was like क्यों भेजा ये लोगों ने. And then I did I read all of it and was like, oh, इसका manufacturing 24 का था and then ये अभी 27 में expire होगा and we are in 26. Oh, अच्छा इसके लिए भेजा. Whatever, I've gotten this and I think this will be like over in 2-3 months. So 27 तक तो जाएगा नहीं. I'm very excited for this. But this one is something that I'm very, 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 very excited about. Now we're going to open and see because मैंने इसको देखा नहीं. We'll also do the unboxing for that in case you want to. But then I actually did not open it. I was like, I'll open it in front of you all and see my expressions here. This looks so luxe. But one thing I am a little disappointed about is ये एक लक्स प्रोडक्ट है एंड मुझे ये डब्बा मिला है. आई वॉज रियली होपिंग फॉर द लक्स ब्लैक में all of those, but वो मुझे नहीं आया. I was like, is this really a Lux product? Why did they send it to me in that? And I don't know why I'm cribbing about it, but then let's come back to this. I am so excited for this. So the whole point is, let's see kiska packaging. Matlab, oh, this is a pump. So very fab. It's a pump. Doesn't have a smell, and I don't want to waste the product, but still, only for you, I'm gonna take like one pump. Let's see if it comes. Oh, okay. It has like a watery kind of a texture, not like ज़्यादा creamy नहीं है. Let's blend this. Oh, okay. Okay. Wow. It just glided. Can you see? Okay, let's see these two. थोड़ा hydrating लग रहा है because obviously मैंने gel लगाया है, but it does have a fragrance. मगर strong नहीं है. Very, very mild, but such a good fragrance. It's such a good first impression. I mean, it is calming. It is not very heavy, very light. I think my skin is gonna love it. And for everyone who wants to know the price of it and why I was ranting about why I was so skeptical to get it, it retails for 3,780 rupees. This one, and this I think is a 30 ml bottle. So expensive, but the claims are huge. Let me just read the claims, okay? Reduces all types of dark spots. First visible result in 2 weeks. Long-term even skin. It is an anti-pigment dual serum, and the whole hype was about the Thiamidol ka ingredient because it is actually proven that this actually works on stubborn pigmentation. So I was very, very excited. I was like, you know what, I'm going to try this on. Now my thing with this product is, how do you want it? I need this video to go out and reach people as much as possible so that we actually try it on. What I'm planning to do is, from today, I think it's the 21st, so maybe from 22nd, for 14 days, I'm going to document myself applying this every single day. I'm going to show you the picture of my before without any filters on natural light because my skin is literally horrible. It's just that I've applied MAC today and that's the reason it looks a little even. But I've got under eyes, I've got a lot of things going on my skin right now. So I want to test it out and show it to you because I feel that I do not want to just apply and just come and show you day 1 and day 14. I really want to do it every single day and I really need the motivation to do it. Videos are not performing well. I know I do get messages like, your videos are underrated. This channel is underrated. But मैं क्या करूँ? मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है why my videos are not reaching the audience. It's been about 1.5 years that I've been making these videos and I've not even gotten like one paid collab. I am just saying my heart out because it's high time that I've been reviewing so many products and I literally say no for barter because I think for the kind of things that they say, like for example, they say that we'll send you the product, you have to try it on and then review. But my problem is that they want the review to come in within 24 to 48 hours and I can't do that. Again, it's a barter. I get the product, I test a product, बहुत सारे products आ जाएंगे, but what's the point? I am not testing it and I don't want to come here and just blabber and be like, what, it does magic, it's so this and that, because मैंने test ही नहीं किया. It is not how I want to grow my community. I want to be a loyal क्या हूँ मैं, creator. Sorry. I want to be a loyal creator where I am really sharing what have worked and what has not. So I was like, you know what, let's document it. Kaise bhi document hoga, but I want to document it, me applying it, showing you my skin, and then let's see if it really works. So no, I really wanted to work on my skin, but looking at the dermat, the high end creators that I look up to have been raving about it. So I'm like, you know what, let's give it a try, let's see, and hope it makes sense. And yeah, this I'm definitely going to use for the next 14 days, because जब मैं morning में apply करूँगा ना, I think morning I'm going to top it up with this and not any other sunscreen. But the best part is that they say that you really need just 4 drops of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to split it. So in the morning I'm going to use like 2 drops, and night I'm going to use 2 drops. I'm not going to use it like only one time. I actually want to use it like twice a day for good 14 days, which does a math of 28 times. And then let's see if it really works, because I feel if you are just applying one product and not multiple product, because yeah, I know there is a trend of Korean skin products, you apply 6 layers and 7 layers, but wo kitna draining hota hai. I don't have time for all this. I want one product. So if you're, for example, I will go order a vitamin C which is unstable and I have to take care of it, wo mera 1500 ka ho gaya, cleanser 1000 rupees ka ho gaya, moisturizer 1500 ka ho gaya. So I think putting your money in a 3000 rupees ka this, when you do the math, I think it makes sense, but I'm not taking away the fact that it's expensive. You won't believe, this is a trick. Okay, what I did was, मेरे जो भी कार्ड्स है उसमें जो भी पॉइंट्स accumulate हुआ है, I went and I bought the Nykaa vouchers and then I paid, and I just paid 200 rupees for it, क्योंकि Nykaa voucher मुझे 2000 का मिल गया, and Nykaa was having sale, and plus Nykaa ने खुद ही मुझे promo code दे दिया because it was there in my cart. So with all the tricks and whatever, I literally put in about 250 rupees. That's about it. बाकी सब मेरा point से आ गया. That's a little trick that I do. So do not waste your credit card points. Use it for Amazon, Nykaa, wherever it is possible, because they sometimes expire bhi ho jate hain. Apart from the skincare, I'm giving you like a little trick where on how you can actually go and shop. That's how I shop, and that's the reason I wait for the sale to come and I just don't go and shop, because I do get comments that why are you repeating the products again and again and again. I've already explained myself. I can't go get products by my own money because number one, I cannot use so many products. Number two, मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है इतने कि मैं जाके इतने सारे high end products use करूँ. But I'm trying to accumulate money as much as possible so that I can come up. But the thing, is that आप मुझे बताओ what product reviews you want, and if I get like, if I see a pattern that एक product बहुत सारे लोग बोल रहे, then I can go and get, and then it makes sense, right? Because my community needs it, so I will definitely go and purchase it. I just can't get random product, like supposing मैंने एक sunscreen ला दिया and then the other person is like, नहीं आप वो sunscreen का भी review दो. I cannot get 2 or 5 sunscreen or 10 sunscreen, because what am I supposed to do with all of these things, right? So I think I've blabbered so much, but love this, and I'm just going to quickly open this also and show it to you. The sunscreen on how it looks, again looks super cool. यहाँ पे लिखा है not for sale. Can you see, like cross कर दिया, because obviously they have sent it like a freebie. Again, it's a pump. Great. Let me just see कि इसका texture कैसा है. It's a little creamy, I feel, but let's see it. Oh, it blends. It doesn't take a while, I think, because the consistency काफी light है. But yeah, it blends. No white cast. Doesn't feel sticky, heavy. Doesn't feel sticky, not heavy. Feels really good. Light on the skin. Yeah, I think I'm gonna like it. But everything I'm going to talk about is after 14 days. And like I said, if I do not get a lot of comments saying that you need a review, I am not going to make. I need to have about 10 comments on this, that go ahead and review this. अगर नहीं आया ना, तो मुझे नहीं करना review, because I don't want to waste my time. Was that rude? I'm sorry, but yes, it is what it is. So yes, thank you so much for watching. I think I just wanted to come here and speak about this, and I will see you in my next video. You know the drill. Like, share and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe and comment, because comment pe sab kuch hai, okay? And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Love, love.